I'm Hugh Jones. I farm at Whole House Farm, Targeth. We farm 2 units, 10 miles apart, just shy of 700 acres. This year we'll be tapping almost 1,400 ewes, using Aberfield and New Zealand Romney rams. We run an outdoor lambing system, made the change 5-6 years ago, just due to labour really more than anything. Also, infrastructure wasn't great on the farm. We were trying to lamb across 3 different sheds, and I didn't want to make a massive investment into a big sheep shed. We fatten all lambs off grass, just to try and keep costs low. Yeah, everything's a fully grass-based system now with very little feed. Yeah, after changing from an indoor lambing flock to outdoor lambing, I realised that the grass was absolutely crucial to the success of the system. The group has met 4 times now within the year, and I find it highly beneficial. We talk about all sorts of different aspects of the farm, not just grass, but we share data and compare KPIs with each other, and just to give you the confidence really into what you're doing is okay, and just to keep going with it really. Through discussion within the group now, I've realised that I need to shut fields off earlier in my lambing paddocks to have enough grass there for the ewes to lamb on. We'll take covers down now this autumn to around 1,300 kilograms of dry matter, and I want to be aiming for them to be around 2,000 then to go back in March. To help me forward plan for the next couple of months, attending the meetings is now crucial. It gives me the confidence to make decisions that perhaps I'd be on the edge of. For people looking to apply to the Prosper from Pasture programme, I'd fully recommend it. It's become highly beneficial to my farm and given me great confidence really to talk to other farmers in the same boat as myself across Wales, and yeah, it's just become a big part of the business.